Close your eyes and relax yourself completely. You may lie down or sit in a comfortable position. Just be aware of your breathing. Inhale and exhale slowly and comfortably, and relax yourself completely. As you are relaxed, as you are aware of your breathing, allow the thoughts to flow out of your system through your fingertips and toe tips. Gently and lovingly, visualize a milky white healing energy flowing into your meridians, clearing the blocks, clearing the negative energies, and facilitating a smooth flow of energy in all your meridians. Gently and lovingly, visualize the milky white energy flowing into your meridians, the energy channels, cleansing and clearing the energy channels of all blocks and negative energy, and facilitating a smooth flow of energy in all your meridians. The milky white energy flows into each and every meridian in your energy field, clearing all the blocks, cleansing all the negative energies and flushing them out, and facilitating a smooth flow of energy in all your meridians. The milky white energy flows into all your major chakras, cleansing your major chakras of all contaminations, blocks, toxic energies, and energizing each and every one of them to their optimal functioning. Visualize the milky white energy flowing into your crown chakra, the Sahasrahara chakra, cleansing your crown chakra of all toxins, dirty energies, contaminated energies, and energizing your crown chakra, enabling your crown chakra's optimal functioning. Your crown chakra supports your brain and your spiritual relationship with the universe. The milky white energy activates your crown chakra to its optimal functioning. The milky white energy flows into your forehead chakra, cleansing your forehead chakra of all toxins and negative energies, energizing the forehead chakra, enabling its optimal functioning. The forehead chakra is responsible for the normal functioning of your nervous system. So the milky white energy enables your nervous system through your forehead chakra to attain optimal functioning. The milky white energy flows into your Ajna chakra, cleansing your Ajna chakra of all toxins and contaminations, and energizing your Ajna chakra, facilitating its optimal functioning. Your Ajna chakra takes care of all the endocrine glands and the endocrine system. The milky white energy cleanses your Ajna chakra of all toxins and contaminations, energizes the Ajna chakra to its optimal functioning, thus facilitating the healthy functioning of your endocrine system. The milky white energy flows into your throat chakra, cleansing your throat chakra of all toxins, dirty energies, and contaminations. The milky white energy energizes your throat chakra, thus enabling the healthy state of your windpipe, foot pipe, your thyroid glands, your jaws, and your voice box. The milky white energy cleanses and energizes your throat chakra, enabling it to attain its optimal functioning. The milky white energy flows into your heart chakra, cleansing your heart chakra of all negative energies, contaminations, blocks, and dirty energy, and energizing your heart chakra, thus facilitating the healthy state of your lungs, your heart, your respiratory system. The milky white energy enables your respiratory system, your heart and your lungs to be energized through your heart chakra. Your heart chakra is cleansed and energized to its optimal state of functioning. The milky white energy flows into your solar plexus chakra. The milky white energy cleanses your solar plexus chakra of all negativities, blocks, toxins, and contaminations. The milky white energy energizes the solar plexus chakra and thus facilitating a healthy state to your lungs, your diaphragm, your respiratory system, and your digestive system. The milky white energy cleanses and energizes your solar plexus chakra, thus enabling a healthy state to your respiratory system and your digestive system. The milky white energy flows into your spleen chakra, which is located on the left side of your body. It cleanses and energizes your spleen chakra sufficiently, thus enabling the spleen chakra to maintain the energy levels in your energy field, which automatically has a positive impact on your physical body. The spleen chakra is cleansed and energized by the milky white energy, thus enabling the spleen chakra to maintain the energy levels in your energy body, which in turn enables your physical body to maintain its energy . The milky white energy flows into your navel chakra, cleansing your navel chakra of all toxins, contaminations, dirty energies. The milky white energy energizes your navel chakra and thus facilitating the energizing and healthy state of your digestive system and your excretory system. The milky white energy flows into your navel chakra, cleanses your navel chakra of all toxins, contaminations and dirty energy. The milky white energy energizes your navel chakra. As your navel chakra is cleansed and energized, it has a positive impact on your digestive system and your excretory system. The milky white energy flows into your Meng chakra, which is located right behind your navel chakra. The milky white energy flows into your Meng chakra, which is located right behind your navel chakra. The milky white energy cleanses your Meng chakra and thus enables to maintain your blood pressure and a healthy state of your urinary system. The milky white energy flows into your Meng chakra, cleansing it and thus enabling and facilitating a healthy state of your urinary system and maintenance of your blood pressure. The milky white energy flows into your sex chakra, which is located in your pubic region right below the navel chakra. The milky white energy flows into your sex chakra, cleansing your sex chakra of all toxins and contaminations and energizing it sufficiently, thus facilitating a healthy state of your urinary system and your reproductive system. The milky white energy flows into your sex chakra, which is located at the pubic region right below your navel chakra, cleanses it of all toxins and contaminations and dirty energy, energizes the sex chakra, thus facilitating a normal state of your urinary system and your reproductive system. The milky white energy flows into your Mooladhara chakra, cleansing your Mooladhara chakra of all contaminations, toxic energy and dirty energy, and thus enabling the cleansing of your blood, cleansing of your skeletal-muscular system. The milky white energy flows into your Mooladhara chakra, cleansing your Mooladhara chakra of all toxins and contaminations, and thus facilitating the cleansing of the blood, its purity, and cleansing of the skeletal-muscular system. The milky white energy gently energizes the Mooladhara chakra, enabling and ensuring a stability in the entire energy field and having its resulting impact on the physical body. The milky white energy cleanses and energizes the palm minor chakras and the soul minor chakras, enabling them to continue to absorb healthy energy from the environment. The milky white energy seals the outer aura of all cracks, leaks, and holes, thus ensuring the energy field remains healthy and filled with healthy energy. Simply allow the healing energy to continue to cleanse and energize your system for as long as you would like to. Take your own time and slowly and gently open your eyes with a smile when you think you're ready. Please do not hurry up. Take your own time.